Meaning of faux pas.
Faux pas.
Faux pas.
Faux pas.
Faux pas. Faux pas is a French term that describes a social blunder or mistake that violates accepted norms of behavior. It's often used to describe a situation where someone unintentionally does something inappropriate or embarrassing which can lead to social discomfort or awkwardness. Faux pas can range from minor mistakes like mispronouncing a name, to more serious blunders like insulting someone's culture or religion. Regardless of the severity, making a faux pas can result in negative consequences such as offending someone, damaging one's reputation, or even losing a job opportunity.